This is Math Lesson 3.4. Use doubles to add. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to say, I can use doubles to help me add. The problem says, Mari has 3 blue buttons, 3 red buttons, and 1 yellow button. How many buttons does she have? So I'm going to model that problem. It said that she has 3 blue buttons, so I'm going to use my 3 blue counters. She had 3 red buttons, so it says she has 3 blue, 3 red, and 1 yellow. So I'm going to model with 3 red buttons. My cubes will be the buttons, and 1 yellow button. So I see, if I were to look, that she has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. She has 7 buttons altogether. But I see a doubles fact. I see that we have 3 blue and 3 red. And I know that 3 blue and 3 red are 3 plus 3. And then I have the 1 yellow plus 1 equals. Now, I know that this is a doubles fact, and doubles facts are pretty easy to figure out. I know that 3 plus 3 is 6, but I still have that extra 1 yellow that I have to add, so I'm going to add that in, and that's going to 6 plus 1 equals 7. So here we have 5 plus 6. So I want to use a doubles fact to help me out. I know that to make 6 into a doubles fact with 5, I'm going to take 1 off. So now I have a doubles fact. Both my towers have 5 and I have 1 extra 1. So I know that 6 is really 5 plus 1. So it's really 5 and 1. Here is my 5. And there is my 1. Now, I still have my 5 blue. So, I see a doubles fact. I see 5 plus 5. I know 5 plus 5 is 10, but I still have that extra 1, so I'm going to add the extra 1 in, so I know that 10 plus 1 is 11. So 5 plus 6 equals 11. Here we go. Let's do a few more. We want to make this a doubles fact to help us out. So I know there are 6 here, so I want to make this tower 6, so I'm going to take 1 off. And my 7 is really going to be 1 and 6. So it's going to be 1 plus 6. But I still have my other 6 plus 6. So I have 6 blue plus 6 red plus 1 more. So if I look, I can see I have a doubles fact, 6 plus 6. I know that 6 plus 6 is 12, but I still have that 1 extra 1 right there, and 12 plus 1 is 13. So let's go to the next one. We have 8 plus 9, so we need to figure out a doubles fact. I want to make 9 into 8 to do a doubles fact, so I'm going to take 1 off. So really, my 9 becomes 8 and 1. So I'm going to add those up because 8 plus 1 is 9, but I still have my 8 red. And I want to know what that equals. So here's the 8 here, the 8, my second 8, and there's my 1 right there. So I have all of my stuff accounted for. So I see that I have a doubles fact, 8 plus 8. I know that 8 plus 8 is 16 plus 1 more equals 17. So 8 plus 9 is 17. And I forgot to write that over here. 7 plus 6 would be 13. Our same answer. Our same answer. All right, our very last one says 8 plus 7. So once again, I want to make this one into a 7 to have a doubles fact. So I'm going to take one off, and the 8 is really 1 and 7. So I'm going to add those two up, plus the other 7 blue that I have equals, I see that I have a doubles fact right here. 7 plus 7 equals 14, plus 1 more equals 15. So 8 plus 7 equals 15. Awesome job learning today.